Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Last time we were in here, I put together the standing desk for the wife. Now that she's kind of settled in, we know how many cables are down here. I'm not the best at cable management, so excellent time to practice and learn from this. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Okay, I really like this video by Jeremiah, but he uses a lot of tape, and we are selling this house and moving in with my parents for a year or two, so we might go something a little more reversible like these. I do love Micro Center. I am so grateful I have one near me. Let's go shopping. We are back from my favorite place. I ended up going with these two for $40 total. Probably not the best deal, but I don't mind giving them money. Gonna bring these inside and start making our YouTube unboxing shorts. This was pretty easy to put together. I think I'm gonna mess with these cords down here first that came with the standing desk because her computer stuff is pretty complicated. There's a lot of wires going in and out. So let's do this part here first. That was pretty easy. Put a cable sleeve here to combine these three to make it look a little neater. I did put a self-adhesive tape there to hold this part, and the rest here, I just kind of bunched it up, and it seems pretty stable in there. I don't think they're gonna fall out anytime soon. The battery, I think, will stay there, just like a nice battery holder that came with the desk. Now for the hard part, I'm gonna start unplugging all of that and see where things go. We're making progress, little baby steps. Here's what the back looks like right now. I have the USB-Cs and HDMIs just hanging on this part of the monitor. I did tie everything down here and folded the excess cords resting on there. I'm gonna start plugging in all the outlets. I wasn't sure how many she needed, so I bought a 12 because I think the 5 is not enough. We'll see what that looks like. We are pretty much done. I think with cable management, you just got to figure out what you're comfortable with. The keyboard, I have it hanging here. I don't like the videos where they permanently tape things down because we are moving soon, so I want things to be reversible. The webcam, I just placed in there neatly. Same thing with this one. I just tied it up. Over here, same thing, bunched up the power cable. She ended up with 5 here, but there's plenty of outlets to grow for more. Last thing we need to do is plug that in, and hopefully I could hide it behind that pillar there. But for now, video 364 done.